Growing jasmine plant is very simple, if you follow up a few easy points. In this video we will talk about how you can save your jasmine plant in winters from drying out. It happens very commonly, there are a few causes of this problem, and following this video will definitely help you overcome this issue. So let's start, and don't forget to subscribe. So first of all, it is extremely important to know why our jasmine plant dries out in winters. So as we know, jasmine plant is a permanent summers, flowering plant, and winter season is its dormancy time. Jasmine plant grow very slowly in winters. That's why sometimes the extreme decrease in the temperature can cause many problems. But here we have to follow up some important steps to keep it out of any problem. If we care our jasmine plant correctly, it wouldn't die and pass the winters very easily. To protect the jasmine plant from the hard days of winters, let's know about some cares you must follow. The most important thing in jasmine plant winter care is to move the plant in a shade. Jasmine plant is a sun-loving plant and thrives very well in a hot area. But in winters, the drop of temperature cause a stressed condition on the plant. And in result it starts showing such browning and drying leaves. So that's why if the temperature is below 10 degrees, you should move it indoors, or at least in a shade. And as the springs comes, you can move it back to a sunny spot. The biggest reason of a dying jasmine plant in winters is because of watering. In the winter days, the soil dries out very rarely, and watering again and again can cause a stressed condition on the jasmine plant. That's why you should water very carefully. Keep checking the soil and water only if the soil dries a little. Blockage of moisture in the soil can be fatal for the jasmine plant. You can also use a good soil mix to prevent water blockage. A well-draining soil mix will solve your problem, it's added in the description box. But for now, just keep the soil draining and change the soil as the springs comes. Another important thing in jasmine plant winter care is to avoid any type of root work. If you are planning to repot your jasmine plant, then try to do it in the spring days. Because it's the best time for this. Disturbing roots in the off-season can lead to such type of drying and wilting leaves on jasmine plant. In the same way, pruning and propagation of jasmine plant must be avoided as well. Their best time is in the season, and detailed guides are added in the description box. But for now, you should avoid them. Describing fertilizers in jasmine winter care is also very important, because the deficiency of trace elements in the soil can also cause browning leaves. For that, you can add a fertilizer or use a fertile soil mix instead. As jasmine plant doesn't requires a high dose of nutrition in the winter season, that's why you can use a low-dose fertilizer like Cow Dung Compost. But if the whole plant is drying, then it could be an effect of over-fertilization. Organic fertilizer doesn't cause this thing, mostly chemical fertilizers causes such issues. Therefore you should avoid fertilization in the winter season. In the off-season, jasmine plant doesn't requires much nutrients to grow. A single dose of a good fertilizer once a month is more than enough. For that, a detailed guide on jasmine plant fertilizer is added in the description box, must check it out. So it's all about jasmine plant winter care, follow up these points and your jasmine plant will be okay. For any question, leave a comment below. And check out this video to know about the complete method of jasmine plant propagation.